Yeah, look at the Cat and Sam show. How freaking awesome are they?
So just want to remind everybody that we are Cat and Sam of the Cat and Sam show.
Cat and Sam, it was amazing meeting you.
Hey guys! Hello! Fabulous Friday! Hi, how you guys doing?
And I am Cat of the Cat and Sam show, and I help you to leverage your products, your services, and your events for monetization. And what we're talking about this week is sponsorship, you guys.
And there are the Cat and Sam show. I know recently, two ladies you should totally follow. They are hilarious. But the Cat and Sam show actually shows you how to get sponsorship without having a huge platform, okay?
Because I'm loving on Wife Life Today.
I have helped hundreds of people move, elevate, and position themselves into the positions of their dreams. You guys follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, subscribe
At Wife Life Today.
Yes, Wife Life Today. And tell your friends, family, cousins, uncle, mamas, everybody. Wife Life Today is the way. We love you guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow morning.
Thanks for joining.
You are the reason I'm doing this scope. You are the reason.